What? What do you have to say? Ah, come on. Go sing me a song. That's a good one. That's a good one. Sit Daddy's chair over there. No, Daddy. Got a song? Got a song? Ah, come on, where is it? Where's your I Got a New Tooth song? Come on. Haylin cut her first tooth yesterday. Can we see it? Can we see it in there? Nope. Ah. That's all the song I get.